How to buy the Sekuya Multiverse token, if this is the right name. So as you can see, so before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to take a look on the Dex account first. As you can see, they have a big community. Now after that, what we will need to do is by going to CoinMarketCap and open the token from there. Now as you can see, go in contract. As you can see, we have the Ethereum the address, and we have the base address. So select one of these. For example, I will select the base, as you can see. Now just copy the token, and now the best choice to buy this token for me, or to use the Bitget wallet, because I use it a lot, because it's flexible to buy the token. So change the network from here to base, as you can see, because you copy the token, the address under the base network. Now from here, just click on the little plus icon from here. Now paste the token address. You can see, to be able to add this token, just click on little plus, as you can see. And now after that, just go back, and now open this token. As you can see, now click on swap. Now switch from here, and now select your crypto that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Make sure you have enough USDT on your Bitget wallet. Now here, enter how much you want to buy, and wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is how much you will receive. And after that, just click on swap to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the Sekuya Multiverse token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.